Planning a home renovation used to mean hours of browsing forums, flipping through magazines, and cross-referencing product specs. Now AI tools are reshaping how homeowners approach research. Instead of sifting through dozens of websites, you can ask a chatbot to compare laminate versus vinyl flooring or to estimate the cost of retiling a bathroom based on your zip code. Some platforms even generate step-by-step guides for specific projects, pulling from verified sources and user reviews. The key advantage isn't just speed, it's the ability to ask follow-up questions and refine results in real time. For example, a general query about painting a room can quickly narrow to low VOC paint recommendations for a nursery. AI also helps visualize outcomes. Upload a photo of your kitchen, and some tools can suggest color schemes or cabinet styles. While these systems aren't perfect, they may miss local building codes or nuanced material differences. They serve as a powerful starting point. The takeaway: AI doesn't replace contractor expertise, but it does cut research time in half, letting you walk into a hardware store or consultation with a clear, informed